Alright, let me check one other thing. I usually got something wrong, as usual. YouTube.com. Here we go, right here. And I want to make sure. Come on, Felicia. Pop out chat. And then we can close these down. Go. Now we can take this. Kind of minimize it over here. Always on top. Remove. What scene is this? Add a source. Call that one chat. Because they're going to probably add for another one. Right. Let me turn this one back on. Okay. Okay. I really don't see the point in that because I got one right here. So let's just remove that. And that's just in case. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to get it to our Clajama. 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and put get on in here. This is why I don't do this, because this get thing, trying to put get in here, is really the issue for me, because now I got this get stuff back in here again. Let's get this out of here. Get ignores, get that out of there. Let's get that out of there. Actually, let's bring that back because I'm kind of just clicking stuff. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, so Control D. What it's asking, or what the instructions say. So open a new window, and we finna get back to what we was doing. Using Ada chat with local get. Alright, so yeah, we got initialize, that's what it was. It was go into the path, get init, get add, Oh boy. Everybody's doing something. Now this is gonna have to run. Okay, and then let's. Yes, if we have an issue with it, I'm just gonna kill the get. And I pop that as I'm putting API on. Ask. Hello? Alright, alright, so let's page up, page up, page up, page up. I gotta make sure I'm doing this right. Oh, 41,000. Less than 20 seconds, greater than 30 minutes. So, let's see. Boom, we'll just bring you on back in. Alright, so pretty much that's what we're doing right now. Is letting Git go ahead and pull in this repo that we're working on. That way, we can have much more control. And it also gives Git, I mean not Git, it gives Aider a better understanding. Which is a good thing. I can't unfriend later. Life. I can't unfriend him later. Shouldn't be too much longer. Oh boy, it's gonna be a minute. It's gonna be a minute. I can't understand my legs. Yeah. It's 30%, dude. It takes forever. Full use. But I think, you know what the good part is? We're using AI, so technically we are still being productive. Technically. Right? Right? If it isn't one thing, it will be the next. No. Once this is done, this is going to be about 8 minutes. We can get back to programming. Well, actually, I do got another website I got to work on. Go ahead and crank that one up. Let's see, where is it at? Home. Okay. Everything. Okay, turn that back on. I gotta keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Gotta get my daughter in a little bit. Alright. So we need to critique this website. That one's supposed to be. Alright. So let's ask header is not loading. Gotta check around. We only got no contact page is not done. And this is a site that we took from, converted it into a static website, hooked it up with some PHP contact. Window cleaning is formatted. Window cleaning. So check out reviews. Reviews are straight. Service area map needs to be zoomed in. Zoomed in. Moving straight. I'm gonna go to commercial cleaning, and we don't see the blog in here anywhere. Actually, all the service pages are many of the pages are styled poorly. Where's our blog? And also, where is the blog? So let's say header is not loading on index. No. Right. And once again, this thing's got water damage or something. It says, but some pages are not linked to it properly. And I feel with that, this stuff should be linked through the header. It should not be a per page thing. This is something else. We can get that closed. Stop all the confusion. 91%, we can get back to programming. Alright, so we're still running. Cool. These once this is done, Clajama will go to its directory. Repo map can include the virtual libraries. I didn't want it to include any of that stuff anyways. That's probably what took it so long. Because it didn't include it doesn't include certain directories by default. One thing I don't like about this GitHub thing, once you connect GitHub to it, it starts having strange issues where how simple before I can just click add. Of course, it's something that I'm not doing, of course. But me personally, I want stuff simple. And that's why everything I create makes things simple. And in the chat, because I don't know what happened today, we'll be moving the live preview to Clajama.com. Please know that it is a work in progress for getting this version, React and Fast API converted back to the fully working version. The free version, once online, let's see. Once we have reconnected all functions, the free version will be testable and include limited space. Bring your own key. Alright, so I will be in the car for a very long time. When I go pick my daughter up, I'm gonna make sure my battery's charged. I gotta go inside. I'm probably gonna be asked 4,000 questions about a tablet, because I took my son's tablet. I took his tablet because he refused to do his homework and kept picking it up over and over again.